Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a cupcake manicure. I was hoping for kawaii cupcakes, but I was ordering some off Amazon, and looky what I got. Look what I got. Look at how big these bad boys are. I mean, these are huge. Look at this. This is a little bottle of Model 1s. This has got to be at least an inch big, and it's got a little bit of weight to it. So, I cannot put these on a nail. They're way too big, too heavy. They have a little hook on them, which would be perfect for a little girl's necklace. Something of that sort, a craft idea, something. I paid $10 for them on Amazon, so if anybody would like to purchase these for me for the same price plus shipping, I'm your gal. So I have these cupcake Femos. Femo. You know what I mean. Let's move the gems out of the way. But we're going to use these on these nails here. This is this beautiful blue color by Model 1. Oh man. Well, they're on my mat now. Oh well. So here's the color. I've had this quite some time. Beautiful, beautiful color. Love it, love it, love it. I also have on here some old glue gel by She Modern. They don't make glue gel anymore. I believe they have stencil glue gel, maybe. I have that on 3 said nails. And we are going to put said cupcakes on the nails. We're going to make them cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh. I'm going to put them more flat. I am going to try and top coat. I don't know how well that's going to work. I don't know. Gotta wait and see. I'm not sure if you're supposed to top coat over Femos. Whoops. I have these on a sticky base. So we're gonna put these back in here. Save those for another time. And we have my Eye Gel Beauty No Cleanse Top Coat. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is a Nail Sister secret word giveaway. There are, I think, 4 to 5 of us doing this. We all have each a different secret word. So there are 5 times your chances, I guess you could say, or 4 times your chances. So somewhere in this video I will be saying my secret word is. I'm not putting it in the comments, the description box, nothing like that. You have to watch the whole entire video to find out. No skipping or you could miss. Then I'll probably get somebody going, you're not supposed to top coat the Femo. Well, I wasn't sure. So we top coated. Whoops. We top coated our Femos. Yes, we did. Just a little bit added protection. Yeah. I want to add some bling. Just a few little dabby doos. Let me see here. Let me get a big one for the thumbnail. Or not the thumbnail. The index and ring finger. Gotta showcase those two. I'm going to get me some little bling out, and I'm going to put them randomly about the nails. I just need to get more out here, I'm sorry. I have to put them on my purple mat so that I can turn them over. So, oops, let me get in frame here. I've only got a couple out. Sure didn't pick that one up. Didn't pick that one up. Oh, we need a couple more. Just a couple. Uno más, uno más. There we go. There's our Cupcake Manny. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp. I'll give her a full 60-second cure, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back here. I forgot what I was doing, and I ended up on TikTok. So here we are. Here's my Cupcake Manny for today. I forgot the secret word, didn't I? My secret word is sweets. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Manny for today. It's kind of cute. Not what I expected when I picked a theme of cupcakes. I wanted quiet, but you know, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta work with what you got. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Manny. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, all the rules are in the description box, as well as any discount codes that you may need to save yourself 10% off. Well, that's it for today. We will catch you when we do the drawing. So enter down below. You must live in the continental United States. You must be subscribed to all the channels that are taking part. They will be in the playlist pinned down in the comments with their video links. So check them out and give them a full view. Tell them I sent you to each other. Subscribe, like, and comment. Have a blessed day, and thank you.